Dear student, welcome to all of you in my online maths video class. In our last video class, we discussed some concept related to the coordinate geometry. Now we will discuss about our main topic, that is reflection and reflection of a point in a line. But here reflection is basically related to a physics topic. Reflection is basically related to the physics topic. So we take some concept from there also. Just like if we imagine here a mirror here. Let this is the mirror AB, mirror AB, and we have any object P here, P. Then we know that the image of this object P will be at the same distance just behind the mirror here. If this is perpendicular distance from the mirror, means PM is the perpendicular distance of the object from the mirror, then P dash M is the distance of image from the mirror. PM is what? Distance of object P. Here P is object, and P dash is image. Okay, means PM is equal to P dash M. Distance of the object from the mirror is equal to the distance of image from the mirror. Distance of object from the mirror and distance of image from the mirror, both are equal according to the concept of reflection. Means this distance will be equal to this distance. Okay, and here AB is perpendicular P dash, or we can say PP dash is perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, it means if this distance is 5 centimeter, then this also 5 centimeter. Okay, we use this concept during the reflection. We can say that reflection of a point P in a line AB is a point P dash. Reflection of a point P in a line AB is P dash, such that AB is perpendicular bisector of the line segment PP dash. We can say very simply. Then the line AB is called line of reflection. What is AB? AB is called line of reflection. Now, if we take any point here, let this is take any point Q, and AB is a line, means mirror, and Q is a point on the mirror AB. Then the image of object Q will be coincide. Okay, means both the image of object Q and Q itself, they will be coincide to each other. In this condition, we say that point Q is the invariant point. Okay, here the image is this P dash, but here object and image both are coincide. Therefore, we say that Q is the invariant point. Now we will discuss reflection of a point in axis. Reflection in a point in the x-axis. Reflection of a point in the x-axis. Let here, you know this coordinate axis, x o x dash, and here y o y dash. X o x dash and y o y dash. If we have any point here P whose coordinate is xy, okay, and point reflection of a point in the x-axis means this line xx dash working here as image, mirror. Then this distance of object from the mirror xx dash perpendicular distance, that is pm, is equal to p dash m. This is image. If this is object, this is image. Okay, and we know that here plus plus sign, plus minus, here minus, and here what? Plus and minus. Then coordinate of this point will be minus x and minus y. Means x value will be same, but the sign of y will be changed. If we write the coordinate of the image, what is P? P is the object, P dash image. What is x dash? This is the x-axis, and this axis working as a mirror, means reflection of a point in the x-axis. So we can write like this way. Similarly, if I want to write reflection of a point in the y-axis, in this condition, y dash will work as mirror, here mirror. Then this distance, this is n, and here p dash, this distance will be equal, means pn will be equal to pn dash. If this is xy, then this coordinate will be minus xy. Okay, if we have any point xy, then the coordinate of its image, if the reflection of a point in a y-axis, then it will be minus xy, and if the reflection of a point is x-axis, then its coordinate will be x and minus y. Okay, this is reflection of a point in x-axis and y-axis respectively. Example, let coordinate of point P is 2, 3. Then coordinate of image P dash if reflection of a point in the y-axis. If reflection of a point in the y-axis. So here, if this is 2, 3, this point, our reflection is y-axis, then its image will be here in second quadrant, and coordinate of the second quadrant will be minus 2 and 3. It will be minus 2, 3. Similarly, if this work as mirror, then coordinate of image will be here this side in fourth quadrant, that will be 2 and minus 3. Okay, let us see the next topic. Reflection of a point in a line parallel to x-axis. So first of all, we should know about a line parallel to x-axis. Here, let this is x-x dash and here y dash. Okay, this is the coordinate axis. If we take any line parallel to x-axis, let that is this L, and distance of line L from x is, that is a, small a, means the distance of line L from x-axis is a, getting, and take any point P here whose coordinate is xy. Coordinate is xy. Then if this line is working as a mirror, then this PM is a perpendicular distance of the object from the mirror L, and its image will be here just below this, that will be P dash, maybe here, P dash. Then what is the coordinate of this? Its coordinate will be x minus y plus 2a. X minus y plus 2a. Means if you want to find the coordinate of the image, through a line parallel to x-axis of the object P whose coordinate is xy, that will be x minus y plus 2a, where what is a? Distance of the line L which is parallel to x-axis. What is a? Distance of a line L which is parallel to x-axis. Okay, for example, if we have a coordinate, that its coordinate is, let 4 and 7, and this is 3, a is equal to 3, then what is the coordinate of this? Its coordinate will be 4, and after that minus y, then minus 7 plus 2 into a means 3, or its coordinate will be 4, and minus 7 plus 6 means minus 1. Its coordinate will be 4 and minus 1. Like this way, we can find the coordinate of the image, okay, when reflection of a point in a line parallel to x-axis. Similarly, we can find here reflection of a point in a line parallel to y-axis. Let this y-axis, x-axis, and this is the line parallel to y-axis, that is L dash. Here x dash, y dash, and let the distance of a line parallel to y-axis is a, here, like this way. Then, and here we have any point P whose coordinate is xy, then P dash is what? Image. Its coordinate will be minus x plus 2a and y. Its coordinate will be minus x plus 2a and y. We can prove it, but it will be better directly done like a formula. If P is a object whose coordinate is xy, then we want to find the reflection of a point in a line parallel to y-axis. This line L dash parallel to y axis. Here this is like a mirror. Then its image will be this side here, and its coordinate will be minus x plus 2a and y. Means coordinate of y will not be changed, only coordinate of x will be changed. And in the condition of line parallel to x axis, coordinate of x did not change, only coordinate of y changed. Now we will discuss about the reflection of a point in the origin. Reflection of the point in the origin. Let this here. Origin. This is the origin. Origin means what? It means the mirror is here. Mirror is here. If we have any point here, P, which coordinate is xy, then this distance and this distance of image will be same, and its coordinate will be minus x minus y, because the image will be in third quadrant and the object is in first quadrant. In first quadrant the sign will be positive, and in third quadrant the sign will be both x coordinate and y coordinate will be negative, therefore it will be minus x minus y. Getting? Similarly, if we have any point here, then its image will be this side. When the reflection of a point is in the origin, then only in that condition. When the reflection of a point in the origin, in that condition the image of this will be this side, and if the object is here, then image will be this side. Again, if the object is in the fourth quadrant, then image will be in second quadrant. So like this way we can change the coordinate of the image, okay, according to the reflection of a line x axis, y axis, parallel to x axis, parallel to y axis, are origin. According to that situation, the coordinate of the image will be changed. Here let us see some question from reflection. This is total things related to the reflection, theoretical portion over. Let us see exercise 10. Exercise 10. The first question is, find the coordinate of the image of the following point under reflection in the x-axis. Under reflection in the x-axis. Exercise 10. Exercise 10. Exercise 10. Here the coordinate of the object is given, that is 2 and minus 5. P is in the form of 2 and minus 5. So first of all we try to understand in which quadrant the point lie. This is plus and minus. So plus minus which quadrant? The plus minus will be in fourth quadrant. It means the point is here, 2 and minus 5. And we have to find the coordinate of its image following point under reflection in the x-axis. Means here x-axis is as line of reflection. Then its coordinate will be, means image in here in first quadrant, and its coordinate will be 2 and 5. Okay, answer will be 2 and 5. This is the first part. Now the third part, minus 70. Third is minus 70. So minus 70 will be negative direction of y-axis. So let here minus, this is q minus 70, and we want to find the coordinate of the image following coordinate of the image under reflection in the x-axis. Reflection in the x-axis. In this condition, the image will be coincide with the point object. Means coordinate of image and coordinate of object will be same. Means here point Q is like a invariant point in this situation. Okay, this will be invariant point. Similarly, Question number second. Find the coordinate of the image of the following point under reflection in the y-axis. You can solve. Similarly, third, find the coordinate of the image of the following point under reflection in the origin. 2 and minus 5 given. So 2 and minus 5 in which quadrant? Third, fourth quadrant, 2 and minus 5. And coordinate of the image of the following point under reflection in the origin. So reflection in the origin, then its image will be here in second quadrant, and its coordinate will be minus 2 and I. Means according to the situation of the question, the coordinate of image will be changed. Try to solve some question. I think you can solve up to question number 10, and the next question we will discuss later, means in next video. Thank you.